You do that. Show Grandma how you do that. Need a washcloth?
Now, what's this?
Are you gonna do a blue one? You gonna paint your whole hand? What are you doing?
This tickles.
It tickles? What are you gonna do once you paint your whole hand here? You're gonna paint it all green?
Yeah.
Should I get you some more paper? Alright, that's a little bit too much there, buddy. Are you gonna paint with your hand now?
No.
What are you gonna do with that?
Okay, my hands are green.
Now what are you gonna do? Wow.
I need the washcloth.
Okay, here.
All done.
All done? Is that your work of art? Should we show Grandma? Very cool.
Who said that?
That was me saying that.
Oh.
Are you still painting that one?
I'm still did. Then paint my hand blue.
You're gonna paint your whole hand blue now? And green. You should rinse off between. Got to rinse off your paintbrush. This is quite a technique you have here. You're going to make an imprint before that all dries on?
Yeah, and all done.
All done? Oh, so this is going to be a green and blue imprint, huh? Where are you going to put it? Right there again? Nice.
Wash off it then,
Please.
please.
Hang on. There you go.
Dad, I made that for you.
Why, thank you.
It's all
It's
done.
very impressive. It's all done now? Well, that's awesome. Here, let me hold it up for Grandma.
Some of it is wet.
Some of it's wet, so we'll put it over here.
Some of it is dry.
This is another nice artwork you did here.
But Dad, I'm